In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable allow payments on Mac with Wallet and Apple Pay on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the iPhone home screen right now, and we're going to change this setting through settings inside the Wallet and Apple Pay menu. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If it's not on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to find Wallet and Apple Pay. This option is usually a bit further down the list, so at this point I'm going to scroll down. I'm scrolling steadily and watching the labels as they move up the screen until I see Wallet and Apple Pay. Alright, I see it now, so I'm tapping on Wallet and Apple Pay. Now we're on the Wallet and Apple Pay screen. The next step is to scroll down a bit because allow payments on Mac is lower on this page. So at this point I'm scrolling down slowly until I see allow payments on Mac. Alright, I see allow payments on Mac and there's a toggle switch next to it. Now you can turn it on or off depending on what you want. If you want to allow payments on your Mac using Apple Pay, tap the toggle so it turns on and looks active. If you want to disable that, tap the toggle so it turns off and looks inactive. I'm tapping it now to set it to the option I prefer and you'll see it change immediately. There's no save button here, so the change applies right away. At this point you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and allow payments on Mac will stay set the way you chose.